Hello everyone, my name is Yue Cao. It's my great honor to introduce this presentation to everyone. I'm in China right now. I'm very happy to study at CUW. First of all, let me describe the history of Lean and its connection to Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma is a method that relies on the collaborative team efforts to improve performance by systematically removing waste and reducing variation. It combines lean manufacturing, lean enterprise, and Six Sigma to eliminate the 8 kinds of waste. For example, like defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing. Lean Six Sigma not only reduces process defects and waste, but also provides a framework of overall organizational cultural change. By introducing Lean Six Sigma, the mindset of employees and managers changed to one that focuses on the growth and continuous improvement through process. This change in culture and mindset is an organizational of an organization maximize efficiency and increases profitability. In order to successfully implement Six Sigma, a combination of tools from both lean manufacturing and Six Sigma must be used. Some of these tools include Kaizen, value stream mapping, line balancing, and visual management. And second of all, I would like to introduce the organization I'm going to choose and the project I want to improve. My organization's name is Xi'an Liaozhitan International School. We always call it as a XLIS. It was founded in 2003. It is the first IB World School authorized by International Baccalaureate Organization in the Northwest China. It is also a non-profit international school established by Xi'an municipal government. The Haitag Zone Administrative Committee of Xi'an, with objective of serving Shanxi Free Zone Trade Zone. XLIS is also the only school for children of foreigners in Xi'an Haitag Zone. Currently, the school has about 700 students and faculty members over 33 countries around the world. And all of the XLS faculty members are high qualified IB certificated and possess a high level of experience of international education. And this establishment was designed to provide outstanding international education and on a large scale. Our school mission is XLIS provides a nonprofit education focusing on educating students to become confident, open-minded global citizens through lifelong learning and a sense of community. And our vision is to lead education through innovation and student-centered, community-driven approach. In our organization, there's one project I would like to improve is the staff retention and also the evaluation system for all staff. The human resource now is a little bit waste because of 2 parts. First of all, a very strange phenomenon in our school is according to the current evaluation assessment, we found that some of the staff are not very high performing. So the solution is usually hire more people to do the work. But for school, we need to hire extra people in order to maintain high quality standard of education for our customers, which are parents and students. Also, the staff retention is a problem because Xi'an is a northwest China, which is not very developed. It's still a developing region. So the internationalization of the city is not very high. Many foreigners or expatriate teachers, they wish to work in Hong Kong, Beijing, Shanghai, or these big cities in China rather than working in Xi'an. So with the big environment problem, the retention of the staff is always a problem. We all know that the retention is a very retention of good teachers are with high importance. Recruiting new teachers with less bonding with the school and students will influence the consistency of the students' learning and also eventually influence the student learning outcomes. So if we can successfully improve in these two parts, first of all, we can, enhance the performance of all staff, and second of all, we can keep the staff retention in a very good rate. If we can improve in these two parts, I believe it will improve. The school will improve greatly. And thirdly, I would like to introduce how I can create more value for the customers, which are our parents and students, by utilizing the Lean concept. I think the following steps I will follow. The first of all is I want to create the Lean Six Sigma awareness school-wide. Not only staff, but also all the managers or the school principals and also our governors. They should have this awareness in their mind that, reducing the weight is very important. And second of all, I want to focus on the tools usage to manage the things better. For example, to put the assessment, tool in place, and also put the Lean principle application into the assessment system. And second of all is full-time project leader. This is very important because if everyone is working as a part-time leader to take care of improving these two projects in these two parts, it will be very difficult for anyone to focus. So I think having one full-time project leader will be very valuable for the school so that this person can concentrate on making all these concepts into practice. And third, the final one, the fourth one is the training, at least the 2 years with the teachers in Lean Six Sigma from outside. And also if we have mature trainers and teachers inside the organization, we should encourage them to lead the groups. And then all school will be divided into the vertical teams, and all the team will focus on making all these two projects happening, so that this improvement can be taken place. And finally, I would like to describe the importance of understanding of the concept of unleashing expertise and minimize resistance, why these are two important. So first of all, Swanson and Holton in 2001 offer the following definition of HRD. HRD is the process of developing and unleashing expertise for purpose of improving. It informs and ideally empowers decision and action on complex, contested issues with persistent uncertainties. Applying rigorous expert judgment is an important dimension of assessment. And second of all, reducing resistance to change is very important, especially to reduce the resistance from employees, from the leaders. It's very important. When we want to make the change happen, first of all, we need to change. We need to understand that the change may create anxiety and also the uncertainty, and we need to accept this. And second of all, our expectation as leader is very important because it plays an important role in employee resistance. And third, communication and input reduce resistance. Never think that we got enough talking or sending email is good enough. We need to communicate in different ways. And fourth, forming a leadership team to actually implement the project and change. So the whole team may have someone in charge to support. If they have any questions, they know who to ask. And the fifth is manage resistance to change. Is we need to be proactive and think problems in advance. So if we can predict the potential risks or problems, and then we have the related action in advance, policies in place, and then many potential risks and problems can be solved. Last, communicate to change is still, communication is very important, especially cross-cultural communication. We need to think about who we are talking to and what are these audience background and thinking about the change, and we need to respect them to let them have a choice, voice, and dominance so that we can make everything happen. So this is my presentation, and thank you very much for your listening. Thank you.